Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm at the private gym of my range, and today I'm working on my back. And what I want to show you guys is a lat pull down alternative. Okay, in this gym over here I have all hardcore equipment. I got my squat racks, I got my benches, I got my dumbbells, but I don't have a lat pull down. Usually when people do the lat pull down, they're working on these muscles over here. So how do I do a lat pull down here? I didn't want to try and get a lat pull down machine in here because first of all, those machines are usually really high, they're really tall, and the ceiling in here isn't quite high enough. But I have found some really effective ways to work out the same muscle. Now, first thing to know is the lat pull down and the pull up is the same exact motion. So whether I'm holding the bar here, right, and pulling the bar down to me, or whether I'm holding the bar here and pulling my body upwards toward the bar, I'm doing the same exact motion, okay? So it's the same exercise, whether you're doing pull-ups or lat pull-downs, same exact motion, you're using the same muscles. The benefit of the lat pull-down is that you don't have to use your full body weight, okay? So if you want to warm up or something with a lat pull-down, you can set the pin to a much lighter weight and slowly build up, okay? So that's the only real benefit that I see to a lat pull down machine. So first let me show you guys how I do my pull-ups here. And what I do is I go over to the squat rack, and what I do is I just raise the bar up to the highest pin, and I bend my knees and I do my pull-ups right here. Okay? Okay, so if I want to do my full body weight, I just do that there. Now, a lot of times I don't want to just jump into my full body weight. Earlier what I did is I did some warm-ups. How do I do a warm-up where I'm using less than my full body weight? Well, there's two options. Okay, one option is I can use a band. Okay, so if you're in a situation like this, what you can do is you can get one of these bands. I think this band has about 100 pounds of stretch pressure. You can buy them on Amazon. And what I'll do is I'll just run it through here. Okay. So I've got this around the bar. I put it in the center. I'm just going to pull this around. And what I do is I just basically just tuck this under my ass right here. Okay? So I'm sitting in the band. And what that does is now the band is actually, taking some weight off. So using this band, I can now do assisted pull-ups. Okay? So that's one method of doing assisted pull-ups, which is basically what your lat pull down is. Now I'm going to show you guys another method that I use to get this band out of here. The other method that I'm going to use is I'm going to lower the bar a little bit. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll just take a bench over here. I'll pull the bench up. Okay. And what I do is I'll grab the bar here, and I can set this at different levels. I can also set that bench a little further or a little closer. And I'm just going to rest my legs there. And basically what I got here now is half my weight is basically being supported by that bench. And I'm able to do my assisted pull-ups. I can change the how much weight is being used by just pushing that bench out. I can change the angle a little bit. So now this is more like a low pulley rope that I'm doing right here. Okay, so that has the angle of a low pulley rope. Okay, the other thing is by putting your feet in that position, it's also working your hamstrings because you're just kind of locking your legs into that position. So if you're in a situation like this where all you have is like a squat rack and you don't have a lat pull down machine, this is what you can do to work your lat muscles. Now, I'm going to leave you guys off with there's 5 main exercises. Your squat, that's the king of exercises, deadlift, bench, your rows, and your shoulder press, okay? Those are your 5 main exercises. Those are your main mass builders. Everything else is a supporting exercise. So, like the pull-ups that I just did, that's a supporting exercise. You know, the triceps, you know, biceps, you know, sit-ups, all those other exercises are supporting exercises. But at those 5 exercises, the squat, deadlift, bench, row, and the shoulder press is the core of my workout. And you know, and when I was younger, I used to do 4 sets of 5, and 4 sets of 5 is really great because the reps are low enough so that you can really focus on strength training, but they're high enough so that you can do it like almost year round. Now that I'm older, I'm 48 now, I do more like 4 sets of 8, okay, because that's a little bit less stress on my tendons. So if you guys have any comments, questions, feedback, put in the comment section. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a member of the channel, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon.